Founded in 1977 under the leadership of Alhaji Ahmadu Al-Makura Sangarin Kwandare as the pioneer caretaker chairman, Gwandara Development, Educational and Cultural Association GWADECA was to promote unity, peace and socio-economic development of Gwandara people. Since then, the association has continued to champion the cause of Gwandara people worldwide. However, the association went into limbo for 12 years until the coming on board of Alhaji Musa Dangana led caretaker committee, who against all odds revived and also restored the lost glory of GWADECA as confirmed in his handover speech. According to Musa Dangana, his administration has recorded tremendous achievements ranging from sensitization campaign on the importance of peace, education and politics across 72 Gwandara towns and villages in Nasarawa state. He said as part of commitment to make GWADECA a pillar to be reckoned with, Dangana decided to organize the Maiden Convention, which produced elected officials of the association for the first time, calling on the need for GWADECA officials to live above board. Being the first convention, the event attracted Gwandara sons and daughters from far and near, including Senator Umaru Tanko Al-Makura, who holds the traditional title of Sardaunan Gwandara, graded chiefs, including districts and village heads, led by the grand patron of GWADECA and Emir of Karishi, Dr. Sanusi Muhammadu Bako III. As the name implies, Gwandara, meaning we prefer dancing than praying, the Gwandaras showcase what forced them to migrate from their ancestral home in Kano as various dance groups, including the popular Owa dancers, Obayinka, Shashamia Masquerade, Odu, Yammatanara, Anya, B-Fine, Atajiri, and GWADECA Anthem from west, north, and southern part of the state thrilled audience at the event. Addressing the gathering, Nasarawa State Governor Engineer Abdullah Hisile, represented by Commissioner for Special Duties Legal Matters Abubakar Muhammad Imam Zanwa, described Gwandara as one of the most peaceful tribes and appreciated them for their support to his administration. Chairman of the occasion and Senator representing Nasarawa South Senatorial District, Dr. Umaru Tanko Al-Makura, commended his kinsmen for their peaceful disposition and enjoined them to remain supportive of Engineer Abdullah Hisile's administration, which he said has demonstrated commitment towards ensuring even development across the state, just as he disclosed that he will soon embark on the construction of road from Agaragu to Kwara, hospital in Daddare, and motorized borehole in Giza. Magistrate Abdullahi Hassan Shanshama administered oath of office to John Mamman-led GWADECA executives in accordance with the Constitution.
In Gwandara Development, Educational and Cultural Association, GWADECA.
Constitution has moved toward achieving the goals and objectives of GWADECA.
Constitution has moved towards achieving the goals and objectives of GWADECA.
So help me God.
So help me God.
While in his post-inaugural speech, Dr. John Mamman assured that the time to start work is now.
We have been given an assignment on a day like this that will be sworn in. An assignment that will lead Gwandara nation to another nation. Our duty starts now. As we live here, we will meet in my house to start fine-tuning. How do we march to march?
Sangarin Kwandare, Alhaji Ahmadu Al-Makura, reiterated Gwandara's people's support to Governor Abdullah Hisile, just as 13 March 2021 was announced for Gwandara Annual Cultural Festival and the official turbaning of Senator Umaru Tanko Al-Makura as the Sardaunan Gwandara. From Pilot Primary School, Kwandare, in Lafia North Development Area, Shwaibu Madaki, NBS News.